Welcome sa ating house too! And of course, I'd like to welcome everybody. Again, welcome back to my channel. It's Chit Chats with Chatty Dhaiz. And for those who haven't liked and subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do hit the subscribe and like button down below para mapanood niyo pa yung ibang mga videos natin na paparating. Ayan! So, I'm so excited to finally show you our house. So, from the last video that we made, I showed you guys the transition from the bare unit, and now finally it's furnished and we are here.
Alright.
Ayan. So, andito tayo sa ating living room, dining room, kitchen. Ayan, so I'm gonna show you first our living room. So this is our sofa. Hey guys, so ito na yung sofa natin. Tadam! This is a sofa bed. So ito na yung dream sofa ko. I've always wanted a sofa that can also turn into a bed, and which is also multi-functional kasi it has storages. So I bought this at Form and this was for sale. So it's a very good buy. So I'll just show you how this can turn into a storage. So you just open it. Ayan, so it has storages inside. Put all your things there. Also here din, may storage din siya. Ganyan. And tatlo to siya. May parang ganito din, which also turns into a storage. Ayan. So, when pag binaba nyo to, yung sofa bed, this can like accommodate 3 people na matutulog dito. Pag mga bata, pwede 4 kasi pag ganyan sila, no? So, I specifically wanted this sofa because I've got lots of friends, you know, and my family is big. And so that when they come over here, they have naman a place that they can, you know, rest also. Kasi sa taas, which I will be showing you later, yung taas naman is good for 2 bedrooms, but I only made like 1 bedroom lang. Okay, so this is my sala! Woo! Next is our table. So yung table naman, guys, para sa TV talaga to. So this is for the television. Kaso lang, I still don't have a television yet as of this moment. And although I'd love to have one, naghihintay pa ako ng mga donors. Kung sino gusto magbigay ng TV, parang awan nyo na! Ayan, so I so love this. This is sturdy. This is from Foam. And eto naman, it's given by my D group. Kasama ko sa church. And this is a gift for me sa birthday ko. And then yeah, we have some soju's, dala rin ng friends ko. And of course, our awards from Lifestyle! Ayan. And candles, we love candles. Kasi maraming mga langaw-langaw din sometimes mong pasok. And of course, we have incense. And this one is given to me by a friend from, kalimutan ko na saan. And of course, dahil mahilig tayo magbasa ng books, we have books also. These are just some of the books. Ayan, may mga title hindi pa basahin. Ayan. So, of course, my favorite book. I'll show you my favorite book, no? Guys, this is a trivia. Before I show you the book, this is a trivia. This is, the author of this book is one of the reasons why we got inspired, and because of the franchising kit that she made, we were able to invest, no, with this house, no. So because of her wisdom, shinare niya talaga yung wisdom niya sa akin, hindi lang sa akin, but to all of her organization. That is why we were able to buy this house and the rest of what's inside this house. And of course, the author of the book, the title of the book first is Do the Abnormal and Earn Abnormal Income. So this is a story of an ordinary employee turned hotel owner with a borrowed 10,000 pesos. So paano niya napalago yung 10,000? Everything, her secret is inside the book. And of course, this was written by none other than my favorite I owe her malaki yung utang na loob ko with the wisdom that she has given. Of course, our money fairy, Global Marketing Director, Eva Aradillo. You can also get a copy of her book in Kindle. Ayan, so it's also available sa Kindle. So, okay. So, eto naman, let's go to our dining table. Of course, what's inside of our... Again, guys, by the way, like, yung dining table, we also bought this Mandawi foam, no? So, well, ako lang naman, I live alone in this house. Habang single naman tayo. Single. Of course, hindi mawawala yung everyday essentials natin, which is... intro! Yan. So, si Incha talaga, guys, well, aside from, this is the reason why, alam niyo yun, yung healthy tayo masyado, no, this is also the reason why we were able to, again, get this house. So, everything, lahat na ito is from Incha talaga. So, if, guys, no, this video is intended also to inspire other distributors like me, other dreamers, and other millennials, Gen Z na mga, you know, dreamers out there na you can do it and you can make your dreams happen. Of course, the clock! Do you love the clock? Yan. I love it. So, I bought this from Mr. DIY. Sabi ko talaga saan. Siyempre, dito tayo bumili sa phone saan, maganda yung quality at makakamura ka. So, I loved it because I'm a traveler and I love traveling and I haven't been to these places. So, yeah, New York, Paris, London, UK. So, yeah, so this is what? France. Yeah. Right? What?
I want to have a breakfast.
Yeah, right. Diba? Breakfast in Big Ben, lunch in Paris, dinner in New York. Why not? You can make it happen only in lifestyle. Okay. Of course, what else is, we also have Fiber Life, which will make you sexy, Cardio Life, para sa inyong mga heart. Tumitibok pa ba ang heart nyo? And of course, if you wanna look younger and more beautiful every day, you need a Nutria with you. And of course, it also to thank my friend, Ataya. She gave me the butterfly pea tea. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, when I have a house, I'll buy a tea. But I didn't have to buy it, she gave it. Thank you so much! Yeah, so ayan, ito yung mga chocolates ko na laman yan. Okay, so this one naman, it's wala pa kasi akong cabinet. So, eto muna yung parang organizing ng mga dishes natin, ganyan. So, ganyan siya. For the meantime, kasi ako lang naman nandito, tapos eto yung muna yung yung refrigerator kasi wala pa, coming pa siya. Thank you pala to Global Marketing Director, GMD Yogi. Ate Yogi, thank you for the refrigerator. Yan. Ito pala guys, this was care of GMD Nera and the electric fan also. I'll show you lang. The electric fan is care of GMD Nera. And of course, ito pala, this one, and the storages, and the candles also, even naubos na, is care of from GMD Eva. So, thank you so much. Okay, guys. Oh, excuse it. Sorry. Eto, dito naman yung ating, we call this service area. So, this is where you sampay your clothes, you laba, like that. Ganyan. So, maybe in the future, palalagyan ko siya ng roof. Pero as of the moment, it's not very necessary naman kasi I don't naman wash my clothes lang. For me, what's more convenient is like, nagpapalaundry ako. So, it's more convenient. Ayan. So, this is our service area. Doon tayo, guys. Ayan. Okay. Ay, may gawin, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung water ko. Yung water dispenser, social yan. Bakit? sa inyo ha. Batcha social. Kasi hindi mo na kailangan mag-arsa-arsa. Arsa-arsa talaga. Yan, press mo lang. Pagkatapos mo mag-press, press mo ulit. And then drink water. Then I'll show you my CR. Ito pala yung CR ko. Wait, tingnan natin. Malinis ba? Huwag mo lang masyadong focus. Ayan, so yung CR ko, nung binili ko, naka-shower na siya. And naka-tiles na. Yan. So that's the CR. There you go. And then, wait a minute. Guys, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung lights ko kasi maarte siya. Diba? White. Let me off mo. Tchadan! Off mo ulit. Tchadan! So, I love it. Ganyan. And kung ayaw mo naman na, gamitin to dito to conserve energy, pull mo lang. Ayan! And eto guys. Sorry. On pala. This one, the curtains, I super love. Kasi I've always wanted a curtain. Yung parang nakakasosyal na curtain. Yung hindi mga flower. So, gusto ko to. So, if I wanted the sala naman to be dark, so lagyan ko na siya ganyan. Close ko lang siya. Gusto mo ng privacy inside. But if you want naman to see the people in the outside, yan, open mo lang. Diba? Ganyan siya. So, kunwari, mga ganyan. Gusto mong tingin sa mga people. Ganyan. Ayan. So, guys, eto pa pala, pakita ko lang sa inyo. Flex ko lang tong painting na to. This painting. And this one also, hindi ko pa alam kasi saan nilalagay yan exactly. Tsaka yung isa din doon. Those were given by my friend. Oo. So, maraming salamat naman sa pa-painting mo. And of course, the succulents and the plants was also given by my friend. Ayan. Thank you, Joanne, for the plants. Ayan. And guys, eto, sabi talaga ni GMD Eva. Again, this is a tip sa lahat ng mga bagong distributors dyan. Sabi talaga ni GMD Nera, sabi niya, na if you want your business to be big, kailangan big din yung stocks mo. Kailangan maraming yung stocks mo. At dahil dyan, ito yung stock room natin ang intro! Ayan, so, sabi ni GMT Nera, kailangan talaga at least may one instant direct ka sa bahay mo. Para to assure that your business is really good. So, big expectations means malaki yung business. Tama? Ayan. So, again, I have already talked about Intra in another video that I made in my vlog. And by the way, guys, di ba natin pakita sa kanila yung tiles? So, ayan. That's pala my tiles. So, gusto ko na-notice yung naka-diamond shape siya, di ba? Pag ganyan siya, di siya squarish. Ayan. Pa-diamond siya. Kasi yan yung gusto ko, yung pa-diamond. So, this is my sala, kitchen, cooking area. So, this is basically my nook. Ayan, so dyan natin nilalagay yung mga keys natin. Like that. Ayan. Oo. So, lahat ng mga, sampayan ko are all mga, yung lang siya, yung stick-on lang. Para hindi madamage yung walls mo. Okay, so let's go to the second floor. Yan. So, welcome to our second floor. Let's turn on the lights.